Ciao! My name is Dace, mani sauc Dace, and today we are going to learn how to say this is and that is in Latvian. These are and those are in Latvian. So let's take a look at some kitchen vocabulary first, and let's learn it step by step, soli pa solim. Tātad, šī ir tēkarote. She, feminine and singular, okay? Šī ir tēkarote. Šīs ir tēkarotes. Šī ir tēkarote. Šīs ir tēkarotes, okay? Šī ir dakšiņa. Šīs ir dakšiņas. Okay? Tā. So, karote, it ends in letter E, which means that is the fifth declension. Okay? And that's why I use šī. Šī ir karote. And in the plural, the ending is S. Karotes, fifth declension plural. Šīs ir karotes. Šī ir dakšiņa, dakšiņa. It ends in A. It is the fourth declension and the feminine form. Šī ir dakšiņa, and in the plural we say dakšiņas. Šīs ir dakšiņas. Tā. Now let's take a look at the masculine form. Šis ir nazis. Nazis, which means that is the second declension, masculine. Šis ir nazis. Okay? Šie ir naži. Šis ir nazis, masculine singular. Šie ir naži. Šis ir nazis, šie ir naži. Okay, now let's review it. So, feminine form. Šī ir karote. Šīs ir karotes. Šī ir karote. Šīs ir karotes. Šis ir nazis. Šie ir naži. Šis ir nazis. Šie ir naži. Okay? Tā. And now let's talk about how to say that something is in a distance. In Latvian, it is not as strict as it is in English about this and that, but we use this concept as well. So, let's start with the feminine form. Tātad, it is closer to me, so I can say šī ir karote, okay? Bet tā ir dakšiņa. Šī ir karote, bet tā ir dakšiņa. Okay? And one more example. Šis ir mazs nazis, bet tas ir liels nazis. Okay? Let's switch. Šis ir liels nazis, bet tas ir mazs nazis. Whenever you see Latvians in the forest holding a knife, that is probably not a killer. That's Latvian. Those are Latvians just picking mushrooms. And now about plural, it will be šīs ir dakšiņas, bet tās ir karotes. Šīs ir dakšiņas, bet tās ir karotes. Tā. Now let's take a look at the masculine form. šī ir dakšiņa, bet tas ir nazis. And šīs ir dakšiņas, bet tie ir naži. Šīs ir dakšiņas, bet tie ir naži. Okay? And now let's talk about the numbers. Tā. Viena dakšiņa. Ja? Feminine and singular. Divas dakšiņas. Feminine and plural. Then pay attention to trees, because trees never changes. Never. So, trīs dakšiņas. Viena dakšiņa, divas dakšiņas, trīs dakšiņas. Ja? And četras dakšiņas. Okay? Viena, divas, trīs, četras. Okay? Tā. And the masculine form. Viens nazis. And the plural nazis changes to naži. There is a consonant shift. So z changes to ž. Divi naži. Again, remember that trīs doesn't change. Trīs naži. Četri naži. Viens nazis, divi naži, trīs naži, četri naži, pieci naži, seši naži. Okay? Septiņi naži, astoņi naži, deviņi naži. And remember that with teens and tens, you don't need to change anything. 10 naži, 11 naži. Okay? If there is, let's say, that's a lot of knives. Let's take something else. Let's take forks. Let's say there are 24 forks. Then it will be 24 dakšiņas. Yeah? But if you say 20 forks, then it will be 20 dakšiņas. Or 15 forks, 15 dakšiņas. Then you won't use the ending as. Okay. So let's review. Viena dakšiņa, divas dakšiņas, trīs dakšiņas, četras dakšiņas, piecas dakšiņas. Viens nazis, divi naži, trīs naži, četri naži, pieci naži. 11 naži, 21 nazis. 21, whenever there is one, it is considered singular. The same as 31, 31 nazis. 32 would be 32 naži. Okay? Okay, I hope it is clear how to use šis, she, šie, and she's. And if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. And if you want to ramp up your Latvian and learn more about different grammar topics and ramp up your vocabulary, then go to my website. Atā! Ciao, ciao!